Today's debate will be judged by Abhishek Gaur sir and Bunty sir. So audience, please give a huge round of clap for our judges. Now I welcome all the panelists here. Hope so we'll have a very decent debate. The topic is of course, very fiery. Let's see how the debate goes on. The opening will be done by the boys section.
Good wishes to all the spectators, judges, and their opponents. I'm a boy, as proud as you are a girl. We all are born to this beautiful space of greenery with very different physical structures, and each structure having a very different importance. My dear sister, you are wonderful to be as my opponent, and I want to begin with you by the applause of all the audience congratulating your preference, not less than a fighter. Well, coming back to today's forum, let me quote a very famous dialogue. कि मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता. It looks very decorative in energetic dialogue, but मर्द को दर्द होता है पर वो कभी दिखाते नहीं. मर्द को दर्द होता है पर वो कभी दिखाते नहीं. You know that, but still then, let me remind you, we have been dominating, shaping, curving the world for centuries by our thought strength. My dear sisters, from extending boundaries to guarding on, from invention to exploration, we gentlemen have given the optimum. Let me state out 5 instances. Point number 1, Pokhran, situated in Rajasthan, when army soldier went down to the well of 90-meter depth just to bring back a kit. Point number 2, a Gurkha soldier got injury in his left leg. When after medicine chopped off his leg, just saying that this medicine is needed for others fighting the war. Point number 3, Mark Zuckerberg, one of the richest men in this world. Mark Zuckerberg donated his entire wealth into 2 parts, out of which 1 part will go to orphanage, another half for his single daughter. Point number 4, Tenzing Norgay, who climbed Mount Everest, opened that Mount Everest by becoming the first person to conquer it and offering it for all. Point number 5, Mahatma Gandhi, a freedom fighter of India, showed the chest and accepted the bullets for millions of people, counted down from the history. We have given our thought as well as strength, as well as brain. We have molded up the society from various atrocities which gave us rights, laws. I mean the Constitution, thanks to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I am being from this side of the border, having got the fantasy of speaking on such topic, but till then I am not egoistic, narrowistic or anti-womanistic. But admiring from this stage, I find male dominating everywhere, both by brain and strength. It's my generosity to all the audience and judges and the program, those who manage the program, for giving me this opening. Thus I begin the debate, the official debate, by this short opening talk.
A warm good afternoon to the honorable speaker, respected principal sir, respected secretary sir, and my lovely audience. As my brother has already accepted that we women have started performing with our full enthusiasm to prove that we can face challenges in any sort of situation. Now, since he is not accepting, I will take an effort to explain him more clearly. We just wanted to put forward our point to him. To you people are not giving a space for accepting our point. As my opponent is given a nice explanation, where points we are moving towards Kashmir to Kanyakumari. But I will not waste the time in speaking irrelevant topics. The point is the so-called male-dominant society are scared enough to accept our propaganda in driving equally sometimes more in stamina than men. As my brother mentioned, that we women are not anymore left to be unjustified, but he forgot that he will be the first one to say, no, if I think his sister get an opportunity to become a pilot. With few words, I rest my speech and allow my opponent speakers to speak.
Good afternoon, dear people. Humble speaker. The one statement that shook me is that you have said we are moving from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Rightly said. We move because we may rule from one corner to another corner of the world. Thank you for the compliment. Coming back to the debate, you very nicely mentioned a pilot, a female pilot. It's off to her. But ask the pilot whose initiative supposed to make her fly in the sky. It's her for the day and night motivation. It's her for the day and night motivation. And work on her. And that made me realize that flying in the sky is possible. So please stop up putting a flag of injustice. We understand your potentiality. And that's the reason. Reservation of women in the army, reservation of women in IPS, IAS, PCS, MBBS, FP, by us. Thank you.
Good afternoon to each and everyone present here. I thank you Almighty for keeping me healthy and fit, which made me present here. We don't have any problem that we move from Kashmir to Kanyakumari or anywhere else. We all are free to do anything keeping the limits in our mind. I'm sorry to say that my brothers have wasted half of the time in giving excuses about the claim that what we have done or doing or what else opportunities given to us. You have talked about giving an equal chances in IPS, IAS, ICS, etc., etc. Yes, I do accept your views, but really need to understand that these are one of the many options of our choice of choosing. We choose this sector less, that's why you get the applicant less. Women are stronger than men when it comes to honor, which is probably why they live on average year longer than men. Women are also better decision makers regarding the desk duties and health checkups. Women can do various work at a time, but men takes time to do a single work. With this I conclude. Thank you.
Welcome to everyone. Wish you a very warm good afternoon to all. Now I'd like to take permission from under the speaker to express to you. A history in making, a sizzling exchange is just going all around, and being a fourth speaker, I just want to bring up what aspect of this country. I'm going to bring up what the historic and nomadic living under our umbrella. When in the first term, did a man done enough to prove themselves emotionally and mentally tough. Male sapiens have very much historically illustrated mental strength in countable occasions. The world's best thinkers in the field of commerce and money comes to the male, which shaped the major definitions of trade like Karl Marx, Adam Smith, Dalton, Voltaire, who were the great reformer, who went on harassing to give the world the best theories that enabled the world to become more strong, of course morally. The separation operation of female handle is unmeasurable by the handmade scale, but for that we are the only one who got 100 of laws for protecting your integrity and dignity. I see the serious as various women stands to have internal operations against each other. Now when a similar gender does it, maybe it's to work. But when it goes against the different gender, there's separation of one gender to another gender. From being nomad to becoming the most valuable civilization of the planet, somewhere a bigger person role was the great mental perseverance that man had given, along with the strength in this ongoing generation to generation. From sudden calculations to obtaining the great theories, policies, plans, strategies, and many more abstract game plans have been shaped up by us. In fact, talking about the most kind-hearted gender too. If I only missing the name like Abdul Safar Dihi, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Dalai Lama, who are some of the most diligent philanthropists who conquered the world of love capital society. Our strength may be the most integral identity to notify ourselves, but still the we cheer ourselves of not living a single corner of that same world where male dominance is history is making. Dear audience, we are skipping history and there is no her story, it's only his story. Thank you.
Thank you. Both the sides, we are running short of time. We are concluding this debate here. It was a brutal performance from both the sides. And I'd like to request my judges to please come here on the mic and declare the results. Please.
Good afternoon all. At the very outset, I thank Alisla Academy for providing me this stage. I also thank my colleague Abhishek for being with me here. This was actually a great performance on both the sides. First of all, I would seek your applauses for both the teams. Congratulations to one and all here who participated, and thanks to the people behind. Someone might have thought it out really. So applauses to all connected to this. The speeches were really excellent and really worked out exemplary importance of male members and female members were proven actually. There were scientific explanations which really adds to their points. They emphasized, both the sides to me, and according to the points that I've collected here, men and women, history says, have to walk together hand in hand. And here too, what I find is both the teams have equal marks. So I couldn't come to a conclusion. Neither has the world come to a conclusion about this, whether women have more stamina than the men, because we are all born out of mothers. And the importance of mothers would never have been if there were no presence of our fathers. So, to me, and I think my colleague sir would also agree that both the teams here share equal marks, and to me both the teams are winners. Thank you.
Thank you to both the teams. Thank you, judges, for your liberal decision.
This is